Drink got the hiccups. Junior. You got the hiccups, Junior? Huh? Junior. He do not like being a baby. He want to be walking and talking, getting into something. 10 days old. Boss man. Boss man. What you doing? Get him, Junior. Get him. Get him. Trying to hold his little head up, everything. 10 days old. He do not like being a baby. He want to be bigger. Junior. You okay? Say something, Junior. Say something. Say, hey, how you doing? You hungry? Junior. What you about to do? Get him, Junior. Get him. Get him. Get him. Look like the hiccups gone, Junior. You don't have the hiccups no more, Junior? Alright. What you about to do? You go get your car at the shop, Junior? You gotta get up and go to work in the morning. No care in the world. Get him, Junior. Get him.